Hi, it's Tony, your favorite real estate investor, and here is my latest flip. We specialize in giving homes a second chance and owners peace of mind. As far as renovations, we do it all. We do gut renovations, we do layout redesigns, exterior overhauls, and everything in between. Most of these transformations take 60 days or less. And as you can see, we ripped a lot of it out, put it back together, and made it almost like new. We do paint and new flooring in every single house, which brings the biggest bang for your buck. But we also love to redo the kitchens and the bathrooms. So these houses aren't just about profit. It's also about impact, which is one of the biggest things we get from these transactions. We help sellers out of tough spots, but we also bring new life to properties. So the end result, a beautiful home, a grateful seller, and a neighborhood that's just a little bit better than before. So follow me for more incredible transformations, and if you have someone stuck with a property they can't handle, send them to prohomebuyer.com.